Have you ever tried egg and plantain frittata? This one is easy, filling, and so delicious. So join me as I prepare this for my kids this morning. And you know what? This is one of my children's favorite. They all love it a lot. I'm also going to explain to you in details the easy step-by-step method to prepare this plantain and egg frittata. I'm still your favorite girl gift of Gifted Kitchen, so you're welcome back to my channel. So let's get started. I started by peeling and slicing my plantain. Slicing in a round shape is so better. This is a ripe plantain. Half ripe plantain is also okay for this recipe. So in my frying pan, I heat up a little oil and then proceed to fry the plantain. So make sure you fry this on a low heat. So while waiting for the plantain to get done, I use that opportunity to prep my other ingredients. Few red bell peppers, onion, tomatoes. Then I slice my spring onion. So I actually bought this onion, for Christmas traveling. So the onion is growing in my house. They've all spoiled, so I had to leave these ones that are giving me at least spring onion. So it was from there that I got this spring onion. And to be honest, I've been making use of them in all my meals these days. At least it's also useful. At all on a winch. Though it's going to cost me extra because there is no way I will travel with this onion. I'll be going to Oyume Market by Monday to buy fresh onion, and this time a better one, please. I'll make sure the onion is dried enough before it goes on with me. So guys, the next thing was to prep my egg. I used 6 eggs for this. You have to use plenty of egg because that is the key ingredients in this meal. So at interval, I've been checking on my plantain, okay, so it won't get burnt. It's still frying. Kekwa loko. Nyako wake na adịrọ mma kwa ya na-ekwa. Ọ dị meji obere na mgbe ya na. So after whisking the egg, I seasoned with salt. As you can see here, I'm done prepping all the ingredients. So by this time, my plantain was ready. So I went ahead to bring it out from fire. I don't want the plantain too dry, hence I'm going to cook it again while making the frittata. Okay. So using the same pan, I sauteed onion, fresh tomatoes, so the diced tatashe also. The oil I use in frying the plantain, so I had to reduce it, and leave just a little. So that's what I'm using to saute these vegetables now. So guys, just keep watching, okay? I added fresh pepper, salt, curry powder, and half knorr cube. So at this stage, I poured in my whisked egg gently into the pot. Okay. So I turned it so the egg can mix well with the tomatoes, and peppers. Okay. So be gentle while turning it just a little. Okay, not too much. The next thing I sprinkled is my spring onion and a little bit of the bell pepper, to make it look attractive. Next, I layered the fried plantain on top, and I did this evenly, okay? So I sprinkled more peppers and spring onion for extra flavor. So I pressed it a little with my spoon in order to make it bind together. Then I allowed it to cook on a low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we flipped it so that we can cook the other side. Okay. So to get the flipping method correctly, make sure there is no much oil in the pot. If you look at my pot, you see that there is no drop of oil from it. Okay. Then watch and see what happened on the second flip. My kitchen almost caught fire. And that is as a result of the oil from the plantain, and it was on the top. So this is the final result, guys. Don't you like it? This food tasted so nice. My kids wanted more. So I knew that after dividing the plantain frittata, it's not going to be enough for them. So I had to add some slice of bread for them. Please pause that. So as you can see, just add the sliced bread and their tea with a portion of the egg and plantain free. Each and every one of them wanted more. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit the subscribe button. It's free. Like and leave a comment if there is any question you ask me, and I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you for staying on this corner with me. I love you more. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.